So Chauncey, thanks for being with us today.
Of course, thank you for having me.
Can you introduce yourself? Tell us a little bit about you.
I'm Chauncey Logan, born in Rhode Island, grew up in Mississippi a little bit, ended up in Virginia. Started my college career at James Madison, transferred to Memphis last season.
So when it comes to playing football, it's obviously one of the most physical sports known to mankind. What kind of injuries have you sustained over your career?
Most of my injuries have been lower soft tissue. My freshman year was hamstring, well really freshman through junior year it was hamstring.
So I want you to stand up and talk to me about where those hurt, honey. Start right in here and just kind of go right through there.
Correct.
How about this side?
Same exact spot.
We're going to do some direct injections into it because he's having some burning pain in this area, which is not uncommon for pro athletes. So we're going to do some PRP and some exosomes to try to help calm that burning down in his hamstrings. You're going to feel a little stick, okay? Just relax, don't tense up. Hang on, you're doing great. That's it. That side's done. It's okay. How are you doing, Chauncey?
I'm good.
You okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me just get that cleaned up and put a couple of Band-Aids on it, and you'll be finished, sir. He's so soft-spoken. Can you get loud if you have to?
Only time I really yell is football.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I'm a very quiet
All right.
person.
All right.